Welcome to our Healthy Breakfast series. Today we're diving into a nourishing way to start your day, a veggie omelet with whole grain toast. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need eggs, milk, bell peppers, tomatoes, spinach or kale, onions, and some shredded cheese if you prefer. Don't forget salt, pepper, olive oil, and whole grain bread. Start by chopping the vegetables, bell peppers, tomatoes, spinach or kale, and onions. This prep step is crucial for a smooth cooking experience. Ready? Let's get chopping. Soon we'll see how these amazing ingredients create a delicious and healthy breakfast. Now that our veggies are prepped, let's get cooking. Heat your skillet over medium heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. Toss in the onions and bell peppers. Cook until they begin to soften, about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the tomatoes and your choice of spinach or kale. Stir everything together and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the greens are wilted. This step ensures our omelette will burst with flavor and be packed with nutrients. Now, let's see how we incorporate the eggs for the perfect veggie omelette. Pour the beaten eggs over the vegetables, ensuring they cover everything evenly. Let it cook undisturbed for a minute to start setting the edges. Now here's the little twist. If you love a cheesy kick, sprinkle some shredded cheese on one half of the omelet. This adds flavor and a delightful gooey texture. Wait until the eggs are mostly set, but still slightly runny on top. Using a spatula, gently lift the edges to let the uncooked eggs flow underneath. With patience and a little skill, we're turning these simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. Next, we'll show you how to perfectly fold and serve this tasty delight. Carefully fold the omelet in half, making sure to keep all the delicious veggies inside. Cook for another minute until the cheese is perfectly melted and the eggs are fully set. Now, gently slide the omelet onto a plate. You've successfully crafted a nutritious veggie-packed breakfast. Finally, we'll see how to toast the whole grain bread to complete this hearty meal. While the omelet finishes cooking, it's time to toast your whole grain bread to perfection. Once done, place the toast alongside your beautifully crafted veggie omelet. For a little extra flair, add some sliced avocado or a dash of hot sauce. And there it is, a nutritious and mouth-watering breakfast ready to be enjoyed. Stay tuned for our final thoughts. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious veggie omelet with whole grain toast. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes.